Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Japanese display name on Roblox. If you've ever wanted to add Japanese letters to your Roblox display name, here's a quick and easy way to do it. First, open Google Translate, type the name or word you want, like subscribe, and translate it to Japanese. Once the translation appears, simply right-click and copy the Japanese text. Now head over to your Roblox settings by clicking the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then select Settings. Under Display Name, quickly paste the Japanese text and hit Save right away. Timing is key. If you do it fast enough, Roblox won't flag it or cause any issues, and that's it. You've got yourself a stylish Japanese display name. No need to change your account region. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.